Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and this today's tutorial I'll be showing you how you can hide your profile photo from certain contacts on your WhatsApp. So guys, first of all, let's just open our WhatsApp application on our phone. Then we're going to open the WhatsApp settings, so we can tap on this three dots button on the top right corner of our screen. Then just select the settings option, and on the settings option we can choose the privacy setting, this one. And since we want to hide our profile photo from certain contacts, we can tap on the profile photo setting, and you can select my contacts except to hide your profile photo from certain contacts on your phone. And you can select the contacts right here. You can select the contacts that you want to hide your photo from. You can select more than one contact like this, and after that you just need to click on this checkmark button after you're done selecting the contacts you want to hide your profile photo from. Okay, and as you can see now, 6 contacts excluded, so these contacts cannot see my profile photo. Alright guys, and that's how we can hide our profile photo from certain contacts on WhatsApp. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.